Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate batch export in Adobe Illustrator, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate batch export in Adobe Illustrator, begin by opening your project. Locate and select the artboards you want to export. Go to the File menu in the top left corner. Hover over the Export option to reveal additional choices. Select Export for Screens from the drop-down menu. In the Export for Screens dialog, switch to the Artboards tab. Here, you can see all available artboards listed for export. Choose the artboards you wish to include in your batch export. Next, set your desired format from the Format drop-down menu. You can select formats like PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF. Adjust any settings specific to your chosen format, such as resolution or scaling. Once you're satisfied with your selections, locate the Export button at the bottom right. Click on Export, and a dialog will prompt you to choose a destination folder. Select your preferred folder for saving the exported files. You may also rename the files as needed to keep them organized. After setting the destination and file names, click OK to begin the export. Adobe Illustrator will automatically process the batch export for the selected artboards. Once the process is complete, navigate to your chosen folder to verify the exported files. Congratulations, you have successfully activated batch export in Adobe Illustrator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.